Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage online learning with Teachable step by step clearly. To begin managing online learning with Teachable, sign in to your Teachable account. Navigate to your dashboard to access your courses. Click on the Courses tab to view all your existing courses or create a new one. To create a new course, select the New Course button. Fill in the basic information for your course, including the title and subtitle. Next, set a course description that outlines what students can expect to learn. Upload a course thumbnail image to make your course visually appealing. Select the pricing model for your course, choosing between free, one-time payment, or subscription. Once your course structure is established, start adding content by going to the Curriculum section. Click on Add section to create modules or units for your course. Within each section, you can add various content types such as lectures, quizzes, and assignments. For lectures, upload video or audio files and include text descriptions as needed. To create quizzes, choose the Add Quiz option and input your questions and answers. Make sure to customize your quiz settings, such as passing scores and time limits. After adding all your content, preview the course to ensure everything is in order. To publish your course, navigate to the Settings tab and switch the course from Draft to Published. Consider setting up Monitor student progress through the Analytics section to track engagement and completion rates. Respond promptly to student inquiries to maintain a supportive learning environment. Finally, continuously update your course materials based on student feedback and industry trends to keep your content relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.